A revolutionary weather satellite is ready for launch, and WFFT Local is in Cape Canaveral, Florida, covering all of the action. WFFT's meteorologist Cody Bailey is live at the Kennedy Space Center, where we are just days away from the launch. Cody, how are things looking in Florida?
Good evening, Brooke. Things are looking very nice here in Florida and expected to continue to be that way weather-wise as we head into the launch scheduled for 5:42 p.m. Eastern Time this Saturday evening. And when it comes to the GOES-R satellite, people here at Cape Canaveral discussing it bring up the terms revolutionary and game-changing. Well, how exactly is it game-changing? The answer to that question may lie right there in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Many residents drive past Harris Corporation on Cook Road on a daily basis, likely without knowing the out-of-this-world projects being completed inside.
We developed the world's most advanced weather and climate satellite instruments for the U.S. government, for NASA, for an agency called NOAA that has the Weather Service, as well as for Japan and Korea and other international customers.
Known today as Harris, the company has been in Fort Wayne for over 50 years and employs over 400 of the most talented scientists and engineers around the country.
We actually built the system and put it together. So for an average program, there could be up to 200 people working on it for 3 to 4 years to build one instrument.
That was the process for their most recent instrument, the Advanced Baseline Imager, or ABI, one of the main components on the revolutionary GOES-R weather satellite.
Think of it as the world's most advanced digital camera for weather that's going to fly 22,300 miles above the United States.
The ABI can scan an entire hemisphere in 5 minutes, but more impressively, it has the potential to scan a local area every 30 seconds.
So right now the instruments, if you put them on zoom mode, right, if you think of it that way, it would do it about 7.5 minutes. The new instrument will do it every 30 seconds. So that's almost a virtual movie, if you will, of what's actually happening.
The game-changing GOES-R series will help improve severe storm and tornado warning lead time, but will also address factors that will help our everyday lives.
It'll also be able to do new products like fog forecasting better in a lot of areas, vegetation, snow and ice, the ability to see volcanic ash. While again, that might not seem important now, but if you're flying in an airplane, they could ground the planes or actually have a problem.
The upcoming GOES-R launch is the first of a 4-part series, and a Harris-developed ABI will be on board each of those satellites.
Everyone's really excited to get this new capability in space.
I got you.
And Eric hit the nail right on the head there. Excitement is the word going around here. Everybody excited to get this satellite finally up into space this Saturday. And for the more continued coverage, don't forget to tune in tomorrow night as we have another live report from Cape Canaveral. I'll be speaking with officials from the National Weather Service Forecast Office of Northern Indiana to see exactly how broadcasters and forecasters will benefit from this GOES-R series for many years to come. Reporting live from the Kennedy Space Center, meteorologist Cody Bailey, WFFT Local News, first at 10. Brooke?
All right, thank you, Cody. And just a reminder, we'll have another update from Cody about the satellite launch in tomorrow night's newscast.